So we really need to identify what are the beliefs that are limiting me and holding me back from my recovery. Do I actually believe it's possible for me, or am I creating stories? And here's the kicker. You'll know whether what you're believing is good or not because you'll either be really open and receptive to possibility or you'll be really closed to it. And if you're really closed to it, it basically means that you're not believing that it's possible for you. And so there's a big gap. There's a gap between literally going backwards and staying stuck because you're believing that, it's just genetic, it's in my genes, I can't get better, I'm too old. We see it all. We've got clients who are in their 80s, we've got clients who are in their 50s, we've got single mothers, and they're getting better, right? I've had clients who have the most complex chronic illness diagnosis I've ever seen. I'm talking 2 pages full of complex diagnosis. And they got better. And ultimately, fundamentally, it comes down to those 2 things, behavior and belief, and belief and behavior. What you believe will then play out in your behavior. And so we need to really identify, well, what is it? Am I open to it? Maybe I don't fully believe it yet, but am I even open to the possibility of it? And what would that be like for me? And I also want to say that, it can be scary, and I get it. I have a lot of people go, yeah, but Toby, I've been hopeful before, and I've been really looking forward to something, then it didn't work, and then it made me even more upset and more sad and disappointed, and now I'm too scared to even believe that it's possible or to even have any hope. My offer to you is, was it false hope? Were you putting your recovery in the hands of someone or something outside of yourself? Chances are, yes, so that was the case. This is different. This is different because you're actually holding the keys to your recovery. And what you do on a daily basis is what determines the results of your life and your reality.